Jai Shri Ram. Yamunacharya, the guru of Sri Ramanuja, the preceptor of Sri Ramanuja, wrote a work by the name Gita Artha Sangraha, and he gave the essence, the gist of the Bhagavad Gita. He said, one who performs his duties with full knowledge of himself and his guru, that is Krishna anyway, devoid of all selfish desires, such a one is actually practicing what can be called Bhakti Yoga, and thus by pleasing Narayana he will be able to achieve moksha too. So, what is the whole objective of studying the Gita? And who is one who is really knowledgeable of the Gita? Swadharma Jnana Vairagya Sadhya Bhakti Eka Gocharaha, one who conducts himself in that way. Swadharma Jnana Vairagya Sadhya Bhakti Eka Gocharaha Narayana Parabrahma Parabrahmam Gita Shastre Samiritaha. Jai Shri Ram. Alavandar, he was known as Alavandar. Yamunacharya was also known as Alavandar. Alavandar is a Tamil word which means one who has come to rule. There's a very interesting story. As a young person, he defeated a great scholar in the court of the Pandyan king, who saw this very young fellow and said, "Oh, has he come to rule me? Alavandar, huh?" In Tamil. Has he come to rule me? And exactly that's what happened. So Alavandar or Yamunacharya defeated that scholar in the Pandyan king's court. And how did he the conclusion of that entire argument was that logic falls short of giving us the summum bonum, that is the knowledge of the Supreme. So he actually, I believe, convinced that scholar that his mother is barren, but somehow he was born. The king is crooked and evil, and the queen is unchaste, using logic. And the queen and king were thrilled with the dialectical approach that he took to expose the shortcomings of logic. Logic is truly incapable of understanding God, right? So I believe they gave him half the kingdom and he went on to rule. Amazing, isn't it? So Alavandar or Yamunacharya was the grandson of Natha Muni, another great yogi. And he said, Swadharma Jnana Vairagya Sadhya Bhakti Eka Gocharaha Narayana Param Brahma Gita Shastre Samiritaha.